armor can be truly powerful. For example, this expert made a replica of the gun from killing them softly just to see if it would work. It didn't take much effort. He simply trimmed the barrels to about 3 inches and got a stupidly short 12-gauge shotgun. Pros: faster reload, increased mobility, and enemy knockback. Cons: will probably rip your fingers off. People joked in the comments. But the main thing is that even after the upgrade, the weapon can shoot, even if not for a long range. Our collection continues with one of the world's simplest pistols. It consists of only 4 parts. The author is Mark Serbu, a well-known engineer, firearms specialist, and founder of Serbu Firearms USA. The gun is designed for a single .22 caliber cartridge. The instructions cost only $12, and almost anyone can assemble this weapon at home. You don't even have to weld, and you can buy a string wire for the spring. And of course, internet DIYers have already built a whole bunch of these guns, varying slightly in design. Of course, Serbu Firearms has other interesting weapons. What do you think about this 50 BMG sniper rifle, which was planned to sell for only $875? The reason for such a low price is simple. It is a single-shot rifle with no automatic action. To reload it, you have to break the barrel and receiver open, unscrew a breech cap, and only then finally remove the shell casing. It does seem a bit complicated, but the company was sure that the low price would compensate for this peculiarity of the rifle. However, today it costs $1,600.
Wow!
The next product on our list is created by the Italian company Beretta, the oldest firearms company in the world. Just think about it. It was founded in 1526, just 34 years after Columbus discovered America. Today, many countries in the world buy Beretta firearms for their police and military forces. For example, the US has been their largest customer for a long time. On the screen is the Beretta U22 Neos. This gun is no longer in production, but it is still available for about $300. And for good reason. It's chambered for 22 LR rounds, so it's perfect for practice and recreational shooting. The magazine capacity is 10 rounds. And the gun features a stylish Italian design and simple partial disassembly. A review dubbed this Russian weapon a revolver shotgun. Interestingly, the first experimental .32 caliber model appeared as early as 1993. There are also known models in 12, 20, and 28 gauges, weighing from 6.8 to 8.2 pounds. Technically, this is a single-barrel revolver shotgun with a 5-round cylinder and no safety. It was designed for hunting, and the 12-gauge model was quite popular. Unfortunately, the production was stopped, so the remaining copies are now of interest to collectors. Why did the gunsmiths stop producing such beauty, users wonder. Americans are not far behind. A US team introduced one of the most compact submachine guns in the world. It's called DISSENT. It weighs about 4.4 pounds and it's 14.7 inches long, not including the stock, so it could fit into a large pizza box. One of the coolest features is the patented compact action bolt mechanism. As the name suggests, it was considerably reduced in size. It's available in 223 Remington, 300 BLK, and 5.7 by 28mm calibers, with more options to come in the future. Magazine capacity is 30 or 32 rounds, and the gun comes with 2 magazines. The price for US customers is $2,000. The verdict in the comments states, nice, but a bit pricey. Comes with more pistol magazine options than a cat has lives, the makers of this carbine rifle confidently declare, and they explain that the weapon combines the best qualities of both a carbine and a pistol. Let's see what the American team Keltec, known for its unusual solutions, has to offer. First, it's a folding gun, so its length can be easily cut to 29 inches. Second, there are models for Glock 17 magazines and for 40 SW cartridges. And third, the weight of the gun without ammo is about 4 pounds. The result is a compact carbine that you can get ready to fire quickly and easily carry with you in a backpack. It costs from $578, ideal for backpacking trips, the official website says.